Hello friends, the 133rd edition to the prestigious Durand Cup is back again. The oldest footballing tournament in Asia comes to Calcutta, Jamshedpur, Kokrajhar and Shillong, and we bring together 24 of the best teams comprising the ISL, I-League, the armed forces and teams from friendly foreign countries. We look forward to a great tournament which is blessed by a large number of crowds thronging the stadium. This time, we have had many firsts. The Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, has flagged off this tournament and blessed this tournament with her benign blessings. We look forward for great matches, large number of crowds, blessing the players, the sponsors, the states, and all the organizers with their presence. So come out in large numbers and see the Indian footballing greats playing their best on the field. Jai Hind.